So let's go back to the chart. There's a vertical line called period separator. So let's hit this plot sign. When you check the date below here, you're gonna see that we begin the day at 000, which is 12 o'clock. I'll move this time, it's moving now. This is the period separator. So let's go to settings. Let's uncheck it. Period separator. Let's uncheck it. Now it has disappeared. There's no more period separator. Now when you tap your screen, when you tap your screen, something's gonna pop out like in the right shape, and we have in it M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1. M1 means 1 minute time frame. These are the time frames. So we have 5 minute time frame, which is 50-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, H1 1 hour time frame, H4 4 hour time frame, D1 day one daily time frame, W1 weekly time frame, MN, which is a monthly time frame. Now we are on H1, which is 1 hour time frame. Let's switch it to 30-minute time frame. Now let's switch the period. Let's check the period separator. Now this is it. Now between this is 30-minute time frame. What this period separator is showing you is that this is what happened within 24 hours. From this period separator to this period here is 24 hours. It's 24 hours. Now let's move to 1 hour time frame. If you count the candles within this 1 hour time frame, it is 24 hours, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, so 23 candles. Yeah, it's 23 candles actually. So the last hour isn't actually, if I start it from here, it's going to be 23 candles. That is within 24 hours. This 1 hour time frame, we have 23 candles. In 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frames, it takes 1 hour for every candle to finish and open the new candle. In every 1 hour we have new candle. In every 1 hour we have new candle. So in 30-minute time frame, every 30 minutes we have a new candle. In 4 hour time frame, every 4 hour we have new candle. Every 4 hour we have new candle. So that's it. So let's go to setting. Let's see what options we have. We have data window. So when you press this plot sign, you're going to see the data window, which is this box here. It shows information to tell you that, okay, the volume traded in this 4 hour candle is 222,189 volume. So let's go to settings. So that's it about the time frame. So that's it about the time frame. So this is also the basic of Mt4 platform, So Mt4 platform comes with default indicator. So when you tap your screen, you're gonna hit the F, and these are the indicators. So an indicator examines the market data it uses the past data, and it gives you information that if there is too much buyers, much sellers, where the market tend to go, if the market will sell or will buy. It's just information. That's why it's called indicator. It indicates what the market current condition is by examining the market data. So these are the indicators. We have the trend. On the trend, we have the average direction movement index. We have the oscillators, average to range, and the volumes, and the Williams indicators. So let's hit the relative strength index. Okay, done. So this is an example of an indicator. This is how an indicator looks like. Okay, so relative strength index, generally people trade it when the market moves above 70 level here. It indicates that the market has overbought, and traders will be looking for selling opportunity. Will be looking to sell when it's above 70, and when it's below 30 or it touches 30 level, traders will be looking forward to buy. So this is just an example of how to use an indicator. So when you tap your screen and then you hit the F, and you want to remove an indicator, or you hit this trash bin, you mark this relative index, you delete it, and then everything disappears. So this is how to use indicator on Mt4 platform, and so that's it. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Extra4Fx. See you later.